Yes, we are back in our science lecture with a new chapter. Yes, it is chapter 11, Light and Sound. Yes, so we have seen light all around us and we hear different types of sound. Okay, so now let us see what new we are going to learn today. So, what is the big idea of the chapter? Light is a form of energy which helps us to see, whereas sound is a form of energy that helps us to hear. Yes, so both light and sound are a form of energy. Because of light, we are able to see things all around us, and because of sound, we are able to hear. Okay, now what are the different things that we are going to learn in this chapter? First, we are going to learn about sources of light, means which are the elements or objects from where we get light. Then we are going to learn about shadow. Yes, how the shadow is formed, that we are going to see. Then we are going to see what is a sound and different types of sound. Yes, so in this chapter we are going to see about light and sound. So now let us begin with light. So sources of light. Light help us to see. Yes, we all know that light is a source of energy which is helping us to see objects present around us. We cannot see things in the dark. Yes, in dark we can see anything? No, we have to switch on the light. Yes. We see objects only when light fall on them and is reflected back. There are many objects around us that give us light. Okay, so a very important line is written that we can see an object only when light falls on them and is reflected back. Means there is an apple. So if the light will fall on the apple and it will come back, reflected back means come back. Then and then only we are able to see the object. Okay, now let us see it further. Objects that give us light are called sources of light or luminous objects. Okay, so there are so many objects, like the main source of light is sun. Yes, then we have bulbs, tube lights, all different types of light. So these objects which provide us light, they are known as luminous object. Luminous object means they will give us light. The sun and the stars are natural source of light. Yes, we all know that star is a form of sun. Yes. So they have light of their own. Okay. I have said that star is a sun. No, star is not sun. Sun is a type of a star. Yes. So the sun and the stars, they are the natural source of light. The sun gives us light during the day. The stars give off light at night and we can see them. Yes, we have seen that sun. In the daytime, the sun will provide us light. And the stars, they give off light. They give off light, that's why we can see star in the dark sky. Yes, although they are very far away from us. Stars are very far away from us. Yes, then also we can see the stars. Objects such as bulbs, tube lights, and candles provide us light, and they are also known as luminous objects. So these all, the sun, star, bulbs, tube lights, candles, they all are known as luminous objects. Yes, so here is the example of luminous object, the sun, the candle. Yes. Now let us talk about what is non-luminous object. An object that does not give off light are called non-luminous objects. Like here example is given of chair and table and the tree. So they don't provide us light. So they are known as non-luminous objects. There are so many examples of non-luminous objects like our books, pencil, rubber. They all don't give us light. So they are known as non-luminous objects. Objects such as pen, pencil, chair, table, tree, they all are non-luminous. We can see these objects only when light fall on them. Yes, so whenever light will fall on these objects, then and then we are able to see the object. Okay, so I hope you all understood the difference between luminous and non-luminous objects. So rest of the chapter we are going to continue in our next lecture. Bye bye.